Hello, people. I am JABY KOAY. These are my guests, Courtney Wright and Gregory. Alba. TVF's U for ARNUB. Hashtag Make India Great Again. Barely speaking with ARNUB Dwitiya. The prologue.
This is great because we're trying to make America great again, and we seem like we're on the right track.
We're on some track.
Watch awesome shows and videos every week on TVF Play app and website. Because it's not on TV, it's on TVF.
आप में से कई लोग ऐसे होंगे जो मुझे जानते नहीं होंगे क्योंकि मैं चीखता नहीं, चिल्लाता नहीं और ना ही 8-10 की जमात में बैठकर बकैती करता हूँ। मेरे पास टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर नहीं, टेलीपैथी है। मेरे पास क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए महंगा बल्ला नहीं, ये घरेलू मुगरिया है। मेरे दांत कमजोर हैं, चना और अंग्रेजी दोनों नहीं चबा सकते क्योंकि जिन्होंने मुझे अंग्रेजी सिखाने के वादे किए थे मुझसे हिंदी सीखकर भाग गए। जी तो किया कि उन्हें जहरीली मुलेठी खिलाकर जान से मार दूं, लेकिन अपने आप को वॉइस ऑफ इंडिया कहने वाले पत्रकार इस देश की नजर से पहले ही नदारद हो गए। इसीलिए अब मैं राजा रवीश कुमार इस प्राइम टाइम के जगत का अकेला वारिस हूं। अब पत्रकारिता की दुनिया में नया उजाला होगा, लेकिन आपके टीवी के सेटों पे केवल अंधेरा। आगे की रिपोर्ट घनघोर अंधेरे में। अंधेरा हो रहा है जिस तरह से इस देश।
ये क्या बकवास चल रहा है? क्या बकवास चल रहा है? एलईडी टीवी को रेडियो बना के रख दिया इस आदमी ने। We can't let this man fool the entire nation यार। ये सारा जॉब। सारे कॉम्पिटिटर्स, बिग बॉस, नच बलिए, कॉमेडी लाइसेंस कपिल, सब डरते एकदम से यार। पता जी, यूपी बोर्ड वाले पत्रकार आके हमसे ज्यादा टीआरपी लेके आ रहे हैं। And what the fuck does पत्रकार even mean?
सशत पोस्टमैन।
शर्म है जी। और तुम्हें मैंने हायर किया था ताकि तुम प्राइम टाइम पे अर्नब की तरह लोगों को नॉन स्टॉप अक्यूज कर सको। और वो क्या रहा है? तुम्हारे डिबेट पे आके पैनलिस्ट 2-2 घंटे के टेड टॉक देके जा रहे हैं।
सर इसके लास्ट 6 डिबेट तो अनबाइस्ड थे और 2 का तो कंक्लूजन भी निकला है।
व्हाट? ये क्या सुन रहा हूं मैं?
सर
गिड़गिड़ा बंद करो।
सॉरी सर।
पैर छोड़ो मेरा। छोड़ो मेरा पैर।
प्लीज सर, प्लीज सर,
सॉरी सर। मेरा पैर छोड़ो।
What the hell?
सॉरी सर। सर वन लास्ट चांस सर। पैनल में आग लगा दूंगा सर। वन लास्ट चांस सर।
अच्छा, लास्ट चांस। तो मेरे एक सिंपल से सवाल का जवाब दो एंड यू कैन कीप योर जॉब। ये शो किसका है? दिस इज whose show?
This is your show sir, your show.
Get out! Bam!
सर 2 छोटी-छोटी गाड़ियां हैं सर, EMI भरना है सर।
एक टाइम था जब हमारे डिबेट्स की आवाज मंगलयान तक पहुंचती थी। नासा ने तो इसरो को खरी खोटी भी सुना दी थी। और आज
What the fuck?
फुल वॉल्यूम पे डिबेट करो तो स्टीकोमीटर तक डिटेक्ट नहीं कर पाता। कहाँ चला गया तू अब? डेढ़ साल से इतनी दहाड़ नहीं सुनी। कम से कम
Yeah, that's your dropping.
You goddamn it! Give us some sign that you're still out there.
Hello?
What?
नहीं। Oh my Vaheguru. Sir, you need to see this.
जबांग पे इतने हेवी डिस्काउंट्स?
सर वो तो है पर आप ये देखिए। सर हर रोज रात 9 से 10 बजे के बीच दूरदर्शन के ऑफिस में 4 लाख मिलियन डेसिबल की आवाज रजिस्टर होती है।
नहीं पर दूरदर्शन वाले तो 5 बजे ही तल्ला के घर चले जाते हैं ना।
सर कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि ये भाड़ा पूरा करने के लिए रात को अपनी ऑफिस किसी फैक्ट्री को दे जाते हैं?
नहीं नहीं रंजीत नहीं, आज तक वो फैक्ट्री बनी नहीं जो 4 लाख मिलियन डेसिबल की आवाज जनरेट कर सके। This is surely the voice of our nation.
Why does he keep taking everything?
So they're searching for him, right?
Yeah, that's the point of this right now. Is they're trying to find ARNUB. Somehow, like through some nonsensical way, they located him. I don't really understand it.
Well, the joke is about how like he keeps yelling, and they were able to locate the decibel sound.
Oh, I see what you're
Yeah.
saying. I see what you're saying. That went over my head. Is that him?
सर ये वो नहीं है सर, इनफैक्ट ये कोई कृषि दर्शन के बाबा लग रहे हैं सर। लगता है मेरे सूत्रों ने फिर से हक दिया, हमें चलना चाहिए।
नहीं नहीं रंजीत, ये सांडे के तेल की खुशबू तो मैं बंद आंख से ही पहचान सकता हूँ। अर्नब, तू यहाँ आखिर क्या कमी रह गई थी देश के प्यार में? वो तेरा इम्पोस्टर पीएम का इंटरव्यू लेके बैठा है और तू फिल्म स्टार से सेटिस्फाई हो गया?
पर सर इन्होंने केजरीवाल का इंटरव्यू भी तो लिया था।
अच्छा ठीक है, फिल्म स्टार और फिल्म क्रिटिक से सेटिस्फाई हो गया? अर्नब, जो आदमी नेशनल टीवी पे इंटरनेशनल्स को एक्सपोज करता है वो आज यहाँ डीडी नेशनल के ऑफिस में छुपा बैठा है। टाइम्स वाव की टीआरपी 4 डेसिमल तक गिर गई और तू यहाँ बैठ के कार्टून बना रहा है।
इस चीज के ऊपर नहीं बोलने का, बिल्कुल सर, इस चीज के ऊपर नहीं बोलने का। This is my idol.
Oh, that's the guy from Shiva. What? Bhagat Singh?
सर ये भगत सिंह नहीं है तो अजय
Shut up,
It
रंजीत।
looks like a Jay Devgan.
अर्नब, ऐसे रेवोल्यूशन की तस्वीर बनाने से कोई रेवोल्यूशन नहीं आएगा। उसके लिए प्राइम टाइम पे आके बकचोदी करनी पड़ेगी।
हाँ जी सर। सर द ग्रेटेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड नीड्स इट्स ग्रेटेस्ट एंकर बैक।
No, that's not true.
क्या बात कर रहे हो सर? यू आर द ग्रेटेस्ट एंकर इन द वर्ल्ड।
I know that, but India is not the greatest country in the world anymore.
अरे यार, ज़ूम टी वाले कहाँ से आ गए? इनको निकालो बाहर। वो देखो क्लीवेज, भागो। और तू कहाँ भाग रहा है?
Sir, I thought somebody said cleavage.
नहीं,
And sir, why do you think India is not the greatest country anymore?
You think India is the greatest country in the world? Why? Because we have a 2,000-year-old culture. China has a 2,000-year-old culture. Egypt has culture. Rome, Greece, Japan, Congo, Kerala, Mizoram has culture. And you, unpaid internship, if you ever become rich accidentally by any chance, you'll have to go all the way to Switzerland just to deposit your black money. Because in India, we don't even have a reserve for our own black money. We are 20th in corruption, 57th in number of American Idol winners, 3rd in coming 4th in most of the surveys, and even alphabetically, we are 91st! Behind Bangladesh and Bhutan. Bhutan, for Christ's sake! Anti-national agencies like ISRO are trafficking Indians to space at fares cheaper than autos. Meter se ja rahe ho kya? Every year we have IPL,
He looks like Chuck
but
right now.
India.
Chuck. It does look
So
like
when you
Chuck.
say India is the greatest country
Tirade
in the
just like
world,
Chuck.
you are the worst period,
Don't look where to put
period,
his
ever
elbow.
period, smiley face, period. But we sure used to be. There was a time we invented the number 0, but after that we became overconfident. Until date, despite having so many mathematicians, we haven't invented one single number. There was a time when we did not let Pakistan into Kargil.
This is making fun of the
And now
newsroom.
Pakistanis are coming to Mumbai, working in our films and kissing our Bahu Betis.
Oh, you think so?
अगर इंडिया की जगह ऑफिशियल नेम भारत होता तो अल्फाबेटिकली भूटान से तो ऊपर आते ना. Duh! Once upon a time, we made fun of all religions equally. Amar, Akbar, Anthony, तीनों चूतिए थे. But today, one Snapchat video comes out, and even Vinod Kamble takes offense.
ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। सर अगर एक छोटी सी स्नैपचैट वीडियो से ऑफेंड होकर इतने सारे लोग मोर्चा लेके सड़क पर उतर आए हैं, सर इमेजिन जब फ्लड आएगा, जब स्कैम्स होंगे, या अकाल पड़ा होगा और फार्मर सुसाइड कर रहे होंगे, सर तब तो पूरा पार्लियामेंट सड़कों पे उतर आएगा। सर आई थिंक इट्स द परफेक्ट टाइम यू शुड मेक अ कमबैक। सर द स्टूडियो चेयर अवेट्स यू। सर आई थिंक इट्स द टाइम दैट वी शुड मेक इंडिया ग्रेट अगेन।
Shut up, Ranjit. Sit down. I'm retired now. TRP, success, chicks and loud noises do not interest me anymore. Why do you think I am this Doordarshan ka outhouse? Mr. Vice President,
Mr. Wise.
no matter what you have to offer to me, I am not going back to that studio ever again.
वो सब तो ठीक है ना, लेकिन नाविका ने स्टूडियो में गर्मा गर्म जलेबियां बनाई हैं।
जलेबी?
तो क्या तय किया तुमने?
जाना तो है,
लेकिन प्राइम टाइम में रबीश की उतारने के बाद। चलो बेटा जी।
8:55 हो गए। It's time to get ready.
The shaving kit.
For our English viewers, I am back. And for our Hindi viewers, I am pitching. Ramesh! Liberals, you can suck my right cock. And conservatives, suck my moderate pussy. This season come, let's make India great again.
Well, that was fun. What's up?
Nothing.
What happened? Did he like disappear? Did he,
I guess he
show-
He was
disappeared
on
for a while.
hiatus, right?
He
Was
must
it-
have, I guess that's what happened. He must have gone on hiatus. I don't know the politics.
year and a half.
Yeah, because this is 2016. The last one was in 2014. I don't know the politics around it. I mean, he was doing a whole bunch of stuff. Like, I guess he must have taken a break from doing ARNUB to focus on writing or something. I don't know. Or may have had something to do with some political stuff outside of, like, some drama going on that we don't know about. Do you remember when 24 came out? They were getting criticized a lot for the way they were portraying torture and whatnot. When Jack Bauer returned, I think in season 7, it started off with a court scene, basically calling attention to all of that. They were calling attention to the politics outside of the show within the show.
Well, this
This
to
is
me
a
was more like a
sketch.
trailer.
It was
yeah.
more like a trailer. It was a
wasn't
long
really,
trailer.
yeah.
Sketch trailer.
It was a sketch trailer, yeah.
Yeah, kind of like preparing for the new season, like
Right.
reacquainting you to him and his style
Right.
without actually being an episode.
Right.
I guess if he had like one of the guests had come back,
That
you
would-
know, like
that
come
would've been
chasing
cool.
him, so then it's like you kind of got the best, you have the best of both worlds.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Was that guy the head of the of TVF? Supposedly, is that who he represented? Like the CEO or
He
something
represented
like that?
the news organization that ARNUB supposedly works for.
Got it.
I think they're both recurring people in TVF's videos. It's almost like SNL or just the comedy teams that we have in the States with Seth Rogen and James Franco, like how they all kind of appear in each other's movies all the time.
Mm-hmm.
It's the same people over and over again showing up in different roles.
Yeah, I get it. I mean, does he like write and direct these too?
I don't know if he directs, I know he writes.
Okay.
Yeah, he's big on writing.
Because he doesn't seem like a bad actor at all. Like I know.
No,
when he's-
I was thinking that too.
When
I
he's
was
doing
like,
when he's doing the ARNUB interviews, I mean, he's putting on an act, but it's different when you're working with something that's actually scripted as opposed to improvising. And
yeah, he's
it's like-
definitely a good character actor.
Yeah,
Like,
I like the ridiculousness of the sketches. I loved how the CEO or the boss was just stealing stuff the whole time, and
the intern.
yeah, and I know the whole like make India great again. It's not a real thing, right?
No.
Well, no, they're just making fun of us.
Right. But what I enjoyed in that little bit you're talking about was when he was pulling up stuff on the TV screen. It's like what he was hitting wasn't even real buttons.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, then you
Yeah.
saw him like bring the cable over and like put it on top of
Yeah.
like that was funny.
Yeah. Well, because it's making fun of the things we always see in the movies where we're supposed to like suspend our disbelief for people doing things in the films. That it's like I remember watching Tomorrow Never Dies and watching Jonathan Pryce or whatever his name is, the same guy who plays the bad guy in Game of Thrones.
You got it right.
There's a scene where he's doing like some stuff with a computer screen and he's going like this. Oh, you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
And it looks so artificial.
This morning in Vietnam.
It's like
He's
that's
like typing way too much
Right.
and way too fast.
it sounds
Yeah.
no one can
It doesn't even sound, yeah.
Right. So, but he's doing
He
it.
played the High Sparrow.
The High Sparrow, yeah, that's what I'm talking
yeah,
about.
okay.
But he was doing it with one hand.
Right.
So I like that they made fun of that here. That was pretty cool. Like the little bit with the light that wasn't even functional. It was turning on something with
Yeah.
the light. All of this extends my love for Biswapati. I think he's awesome. Like as a writer, I thought he was awesome, and as an actor, actually, I did see him do some. He did some scenes in one of the web series that I watched called TVF Pictures, and he played a small role in that. And so his improv is good, his acting is good, his writing is great. I love the guy. Biswapati. Anyway, thanks you guys so much for hanging out with us. Please check out Courtney Wright and Greg Alba on the social media. Gregory really wants you to watch his Shavai trailer reaction.
Yeah, I do.
I didn't actually watch Gregory's Shavai trailer reaction.
He never watches my videos.
Yeah. But anyway,
Sibling rivalry.
yeah. Thanks you guys for hanging out with us. I'm JABY KOAY, this is,
Courtney Wright.
and
JABY KOAY's brother.
peace out.